Hey guys, Garret from Garret's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be going through 3 melodic minor licks. Here's the first one. Now, this one's going to be taking place in my E minor scale shape for the melodic minor scale in the key of A minor. Okay, so first I'm going to start out with on my second string. I'm going to go 5, 7, 9, all with a hammer on. I'm going to go to the first string. And I'm going to go 5, 7, 5. I'm using my second finger to reach the second fret on the 7th fret on both strings. Alright, now I'm going to be going back to the 9th fret on the second string. Now I'm going to be going to the first string, 5th, 7th, 8th. After I hit that 8th fret, I'm going to be kind of pulling off to my 7th fret and then my 5th fret on the first string. Now I'm going to be pulling off from the 9th to 7th to 5th on the second string, then going up to the 7th fret, 9th fret, and then bend up just a half step to reach that A note again on the 10th fret. So that is, we want to be careful of where our bend is going on that 9th fret second string. So here we go. The second lick is going to be and this is going to be kind of moving between my D minor melodic, my D minor shape and my E minor shape, again for the melodic minor scale. So I'm going to be on the 10th fret, second string, and my 9th fret on the second string. And this is going to be almost like a pivot sort of phrase. So what I mean by that is I'm going to be going 10, 9, 10, and then hitting another note of my scale position. So first I'm going to be going to the 7th fret on my first string, and then I'm going to be doing that pivot kind of hammer on and pull off again. And then 8th fret, 10th fret, all on the first string, back to the pivot in between each note, 8th fret, 7th fret, so all together. Alright, so once I go back to that 7th fret and do that pivot again, I'm now going to switch to my first finger on that second string, and I'm going to go 10th fret on the second string. And now I'm going to be pulling off to the 9th fret and then quickly sliding to the 7th fret. And then hitting the 9th fret on the second string and then down to the 5th fret on the second string. Alright, so again, we're moving kind of positions here from a D minor. I just kind of end it there. We could also end it on the 9th fret on the 3rd string, but I kind of like that little slide down right there. Okay, so here we go. So here's the third lick. Okay, so now this one takes place in my E minor alt scale position, and I'm going to be going, my first finger is going to be on the 5th fret, 3rd string. I'm going to be hitting that note and then quickly pulling off to my 5th fret and then sliding my first finger down to the 4th fret on the 3rd string. I'm going to be going in the 6th fret on the 4th string, 7th fret on the 5th string. Now we'll be going 4th to 6th to 7th, all hammer-ons right there on the 4th string. I'm going to be hammering on my 5th to my 7th on my 3rd string, and then 4th to my 5th on my 3rd string, and hitting that 7th fret on the 4th string to kind of end the lick right there. So here's the third lick. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps utilize some of those melodic minor scale positions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave me some comments in the comment section below. I also have free lessons and more free resources over at Garret'sGuitarLessons.com, and even a free PDF of all the licks I went through today.